Chris here again, and now it will be a different video. The ones before have been about my Yamaha project, my old Yamaha Xterrain, but this one will be about my new snowmobile. I'm heading for Sveg and Ljungbergs Motor to pick up my Lynx Xterrain. So yeah, follow along on this trip. I have a 8 hours drive to Sveg roughly from my home, so I will drive up tonight and tomorrow we will put the sled together and then load it and head home. But yeah, so I thought you should be able to follow me on this road trip. So yeah, I think I will be back when I'm up in Sveg, and we will see. after I have been at Ljungbergs Motor in Sveg putting my sled together. So now heading home and have 3 weeks, around 3 weeks until we have Skoterns Dag here in Sweden, when I will have it on display at Ljungbergs again, and then a bit more customized than it's now. Yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. A little bit shorter video, just about putting it together and picking it up. But yeah, some more videos about this build, and of course of my Yamaha restoration. So yeah, please subscribe and leave a comment if you like.